Welcome to Bjk-Neet&Med. In this video, I am going to discuss about motion in a straight line, a topic of NEET physics. First of all, in this video, I am going to discuss about only formula related to motion in a straight line. So, first topic is distance. Distance is the actual pathway between the initial and final positions. Let us consider a person travels from his office to home, and the distance traveled by him is like this. Means let us consider the directions like east, north, south and west. Initially he traveled x kilometers east and y kilometers to the south. So the distance in physics is denoted by small d, and here the distance d equals to x kilometers plus y kilometers. When we consider displacement is the shortest distance between the initial and final points. Means here displacement will be this one. Let us consider this as a z kilometers. Displacement is denoted by small s. So displacement equals to z kilometers, which is under root of x square plus y square kilometers, which is derived from Pythagoras theorem. Speed equals to distance travel by time. Velocity equals to displacement by time. So speed will be equals to distance d by t. As velocity is the vector, it has directions. So v bar equals to ds bar by dt. Then average speed equals to total distance by time. Average velocity equals to net displacement by time. Next, here basically we have three formulae in the motion of the body when we consider acceleration as constant. Those three basic formula are v equals to u plus at, s equals to ut plus of at square, and v square minus u square equals to 2as. And there are two other formula which have been derived from these formulae. Those are s equals to u plus v by 2 into t. Next, Sn equals to u plus a into n minus r. We need to only remember these three formula. From these formula only we have derived these two formula. Let us see that. From this formula, v square minus u square equals to 2as. Actually, v square minus u square equals to v plus u into v minus u, which is from the formula a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. So this equals to 2as. Next, when we get these two things on the left side, it will be v plus u into v minus u by 2a equals to s. Actually, from this formula, a equals to v minus u by t. So in the place of a, we are going to replace with v minus u by t. V plus u into v minus u by 2 into v minus u into t equals to s. Yeah, v minus u gets cancelled. So s equals to v plus u by 2 into t. This is what the formula has been derived. Let us see the next formula. For this formula, we have to use this basic formula. S equals to ut plus half at square. If we consider Sn, Sn denotes the distance traveled in the nth second. So, in the place of S, Sn, we can write as S means distance traveled in n seconds minus S. I will consider this as n minus 1, which is distance traveled in the n minus 1 second. So, this will become, in the place of the t, we have to submit n. So, un plus of a n square minus un minus u plus of a into n minus 1 whole square. So this will be un plus of a n square minus un minus u plus of a into n square plus 1 minus 2n. un plus of a n square minus un plus u minus of a n square minus of a plus 2n. Here un gets cancelled, minus a n square gets cancelled. The remaining one will be u plus, if we take a common, it will be n minus of an. So Sn equals to u plus a into n minus of.